Good job.
Sarah, are you going to do it too? Or are you playing too much fun with your stickers? Can you put your jacket on? Do you want to take it off? Off. You get it up. Sarah, yeah, that Chelsea, here's yours. Chelsea, jacket right here, jacket. Up. Yeah, lay it down. You got it? Okay, lay it down. Good job. Other hand, yeah. That one, good job. Uh-oh. You got them backwards. Ready? Good job. You got it on backwards. Okay. You want to try it again? Okay, you can do it. Good job. You want to take it off? You want to do it again? Zipper? Oh, wait, we're not going anywhere, so we don't need to zipper it. You want it zippered? We were just showing Grandma and Grandpa.
You want to go out?
Do you want to say hi, Grandma and Grandpa? Say wave at the camera.
Can you say hi? Hi.
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 I think we might need to get him on picture now.
Hi,